Some of you guys have messaged me asking how I got this shot in my USA car reveal video. And that reminds me that I forgot to show you the new camera equipment I added in for the 2020 videos. So here it goes. But before we go into that, may I ask the new viewers to consider subscribing, turning on all notifications and liking this video. Alright, let's quickly do this so that I can send you back outdoors. You can see the box has some Insta 360 branding over here. Outside it looks like a pretty generic box. I have my address here, but I did want to show you that when it comes over DHL, it takes about 10 days for this to arrive. So if you're in US and you order this, and don't fret over whether they're sending it or not, and you don't have like tracking, and it does come. They send it through DHL, at least in the US it looks like, and it comes with the service warning, lithium ion thing that they have to declare over here. So let's go and unbox this quickly. Thankfully I did not cut through anything. Okay, so I've got a bunch of things in here. It is not just the Insta 360 camera, so much so that now I don't remember what's in there. So we will have to this thing. I think I got some of the extension pole or something like that. So here you go. First thing, I don't even know what this is called. This is a selfie stick. So we're gonna line this up properly. Next, I don't know why I have two selfie sticks. I believe one of them came with the camera and one of them came with the other pack that I bought. What the hell is this? Oh yes, this is you'll see me use this on my motorcycle. This goes onto my back. This is huge. I did not expect it. It's like a kidney belt. But this is not what we're going to look at in this video. I will have a separate video for that. I will have a separate video for that. We're going to focus on the camera. My whole arm is inside now. Extra one battery. Something tells me that I need more batteries, but one extra battery. And I believe final piece of equipment, the Insta 360 camera. Very nice feeling cover over here. I don't know, it's weird. Why do I get good feeling from the plastics? But anyway, there you go. Tearing it up completely. That's my way of unboxing. Yeah, staying still for the thumbnail. But this is how the box looks. Alright, so what do we have here? It says 5.7K video, flow state stabilization, 360 capture. Obviously this is a 360 camera. Cinematic slow-mo, invisible selfie stick. I believe that's one of these. Bullet time. I don't even know. I really don't know. I don't know much about this camera. I'm going to use it, and in this video probably I'm going to take a primary level shots with just the selfie stick, and I still have to figure out the mounting and everything, which we will do as we go. In my vlogs you will see the improvement. Free capture editing, Wi-Fi preview and transfer. That's how it looks inside the box. Alright, so contents of the box: Insta 360 1X, bullet time accessory. I don't even know what it is. Again, protective pouch, a battery. So there's one more battery inside. Obviously it comes with a battery of itself. Charging cable, quick start guide, warranty card. I believe I have to register. I hope I don't forget. I always keep forgetting. Use with Insta 360 1X dive case. So I don't think the dive case is included in here. And there's nice pictures, just like any other action cam does it. And it says Chase Adventure. Thankfully, there's one camera company, one action camera company or 360 action camera company that is still valuing adventure crowd rather than going for the beauty vlogger, beauty generic crowd. Alright, all those nice pictures. So let's get into the cam quickly. Alright, so the selfie stick, quickly get into it. I don't know what this does. I hope it doesn't suddenly eject out. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, watch this. Okay. You see, it's like a baton. Oh boy, look at how far that went. Can you record? Do it again? Okay. So that's how you get the fake drone shots. I hope I don't hit that TV over there. Look at that. You want to see that again? So cool. 3, 2, 1. That's like a sword or something. Yeehaw, that's really long and it retracts back. That's nice. I hope it stays with the camera over there. Let's not make the whole video about just a selfie stick. back here with the cam. I have a moving camera robotic arm. No, I have a. Okay, sir. Let's do this. Ooh, that was nice. That's a nice feeling. Like slide cut. There's one more. Slide cut, and that's it. I don't think you need the knife after that. Before I remove this, I'm gonna tease you again. Extra battery. So we need the knife for the extra battery. No, that's okay. I'm just teasing you guys. We're gonna go. There's a battery inside this. Okay, let's go. Ready? Check this out. Whoa, I didn't think it was a matte finish. It didn't look like that in others' videos. This looks really cool, like really cool. Wow. Oh, I was actually expecting it to be bigger than this. I saw all these videos that looked bigger than this. I hope I got the right camera. Look at this. That's pretty cool. It's not as big. I have really small hands. How do I show you? This is a Pixel 3a and this is an Insta 360 comparison. One camera on one side and then there is another on the other side. There's like a screen on this side. I believe that's like a basic digital display. Okay, I'm very uncomfortable putting this down anywhere right now because the lens, the lens protrude out, and 360 camera lenses, they all have the same problem. So I'm going to just put it in this plate. This is a nice thing while unboxing. You just take off this plate, put it here. I just ran out of battery on the other phone, the secondary camera. So I'm going to use the GoPro to do the Insta 360 1X. So there you go. I'm just going to remove this. Check out what else is in the box. So this is like a Apple style packing. Even the OnePlus guys use this kind of packing, so everybody likes it. So there you go. This is, I think, connecting cables. Oh, this is the bullet time thingy. I don't know what it does. I still don't know what it does. I'm yet to explore. I think this is the bullet time thing. Swirl it around like a lasso or something. What else we got in the box? One-handed unboxing. There you go. Some Insta 360 stickers. Ooh la la, that's nice. A manual for the bullet time, I believe. Yeah, capturing bullet time warranty card, a list of what's included, a manual in multi different languages. So let's see what this bullet time thing is. There's a bullet time thing. I don't know what it does. We're gonna explore that in a different video. But this is just a string for now. String with some kind of an end attachment. I believe I'm supposed to like lasso, really. Put in this battery in here and see it turns on or not. It'll be very sad if it doesn't turn on because I need this for my next trip. Okay, this I forgot to show you. This I think is the carrying pouch, and now I feel safe to house this camera in here. It should go lens first. It's a little tight going in. I hope that doesn't leave scratch marks on the lens. But there you go, nice housing. Okay, at this point I should probably read the manual, but I don't have time for that. Drop it like a submarine. So that's how it looks after turning on, and I'm just turning it this side so that I can read it. So it looks like this is the switch mode button. There's the settings, camera, video, settings. Right, so some of the ports that you need to see. Here is probably the charging port on this side, and I'm ending up touching the lens a lot, which I shouldn't do. I'm yet to get used to. See, I just touched again. Yet to get used to this, and I was expecting the SD card slot to be here, but it's not here, so it's probably somewhere here, I'm guessing. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. That's hidden. I don't want to lose the sticker. Okay, let's just I don't know why I'm like this, but okay, there's the card slot, and it has some instruction that says you gotta use UHS 1 and V30. That's because it records in 5.7K video, because it's 5.7 for the whole 360. So when you look at a particular frame, it's actually pretty less. So, but this much data has to be written onto the memory card. That much per second has to be written. So you got to have a faster memory card. That's a given. And I believe this is for the tripods. I was right about this. I didn't see any videos on this, but I was right about this. I think you just have to sling the camera and make sure you don't hit anybody in the face. Right. So I'm gonna use this camera. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. We will now get back out, and enjoy the 360 shots. Have fun. Oh, by the way, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And to see cool 360 pictures, you got to be following me on Instagram. Do it.
LOL